This changed everything. In 1887 a London workshop built a strange machine. It looked like a big wooden box with brass pipes. Workers called it the GearBox terminal. Nobody believed it could store data. It used gears to move tiny metal needles. Those needles punched holes in paper cards. Those cards held numbers and words. The machine read the cards with light beams. Light pulsed, that means it blinked, to read the holes. Then steam hisses powered the gears. The steam pushes pistons that turn the gears fast. A small copper drum spins when you insert a card. The drum writes a hidden code on a fresh card. The code tells the machine what to do next. Operators typed commands on a brass keyboard. The keys are not electronic. They move tiny levers. Those levers pull more gears. Each lever press triggers a new sound. The sound is a click-click-clack of metal. Users hear the rhythm and know the machine works. The whole set looks like a giant typewriter wearing a tuxedo of brass. It can add numbers, sort lists, and even draw simple pictures on paper. Artists loved it because it turned data into art. Scholars used it to run early statistics for the empire. The machine cost a small fortune. Only rich museums and universities owned one. It ran for a few years before electric computers arrived. But its legacy lives on. Modern makers still build gear-driven calculators for fun. They call them steampunk computers. The GearBox terminal reminds us that imagination can turn steam into code. It shows how the past can speak to the future. When you see it, you feel the hum of gears and the hiss of steam together. That feeling is the heart of steampunk, old parts doing new jobs.